when you open the door bump each other like this. That's what happened. This part made scratch. Take a close look. This part can be made scratch. Take a look at it. Close shot here, right? So to protect this kind of unexpected scratch, you can cover here with our E-skin, which is peelable rubber coating. This is strippable. Also, this is clear. So let me apply this part with E-skin. There's no scratch here. This is one coat. 4 coat recommend to make a minimum thickness to remove easily. Minimum thickness 50 micron. So I told you 4 coats recommended. After 3 minutes, I try again. We've done coating on this part. So we will gonna open the door like this, bump each other. What happened? You're gonna see what happens soon. So in this part here, no scratch pop up, but this part is scratched before without E-skin. If you spray our E-skin, our skin functions as protect coating. So also you can peel it out because it is strippable. Look at this. No scratch here. This is our quality. This is our E-skin.